Good morning. Today I want to talk about how to grow a garden. So these are the questions you need to ask yourself. Where, how are you getting a plant? Where are you putting it outside? What dirt are you using? How are you going to feed that plant? How are you going to water that plant? How are you going to give it sun? And how are you going to support it? So starting with the plant, how are you going to obtain a vegetable plant? You have two options. You can either buy some seeds, grow it yourself, or you can buy a transplant, which means somebody else took a seed, grew it for a few weeks, and then you buy it from them, take it off their hands, and you finish growing it to maturity. Those are your two options. If you want to go the transplant route, that's fine, easy day. Go buy your plants from a nursery or even Lowe's, Home Depot, and then now you have your plants. Now let's go down the seed starting path. You buy some seeds, you now have a packet of seeds. How do you grow it? There are maybe 4 main ways you can grow a seed. Either direct sow right into the garden. That means as soon as it's warm enough outside, just go put the seed right in the ground or right in your pot, and that's how you're choosing to raise that seed. Or if you don't want to wait until it's warm enough, or you live in a really cold climate, you don't have that kind of time, that kind of growing season, you can grow in a greenhouse, which is basically a controlled environment so that you can start those seeds. And then when it's warm enough, you kind of have a jump start and then put them outside to finish growing. Not everybody has a greenhouse, so most people opt for the next option, which is seed starting indoors under grow lights. This option is good for majority of people, like I said, who don't have greenhouses, who don't have the kind of growing season to direct sow. If you don't have the space or the money to do it that way, then you can winter sow, which is what I do. It's basically using milk jugs to form a poor man's greenhouse, and you start your seeds outside that way.